Hi my shamies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamangu Azande Wagamadala, and if you're new here, welcome to the family, my shami. And if you're a returning subscriber, we have been guys. I am so excited. So welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous vlog. I'm sorry about the sound. I'm going to remove the background sound because you guys are struggling to hear me, but guys, I am taking my stuff, my stylist, to Gold Drift City. And abazi, they don't know why I'm whispering. It's not like they hear and stuff, but yeah, I'm taking them to Gold Drift City. We've been planning to get Gold Drift City. So it's gonna be a great day. Abazi ukuthi siyaphinga sekubona siya kwi Women's Month or Women's Month akuyona ngisho Women's Month July, I think in August, but bazi ukuthi siya lapho. Yes, ngenze kube bayasola, ngenze ukuthi but mina manje ngizoma mina noMbuso ubhuti wami sifike sisenza amathikithi khona uma befika nje sesibaninga amathikithi sesingena ngaphakathi. So let's go. By 4 will be done. And not better, I hope so. But since you go live value, okay, at least it's a fair call when I'm then we'll be able.
I think I'll choose with 8.
Oh, 26 ngiyabonga 24, 26, 28.
Then ngabuyela back ngawolanda ngawufaka 29 awusayenze into ebengiyifuna.
So the girl is fat now. Usumtshela
yabo ngizoze ngisho ezinye izinto kwi-vlog.
It's a fat girl now. Sambela.
Belgium.
You know what? Kade ngicela sisimile ukukhuluphala. Thosi sakhuluphala sisame. Oh babe. Sengimile ukukhuluphala. So mangimile nawe umile.
Sasime sonke.
Yes. Hi guys, so nanka amathikithi basangena njengamanje i-Uber izobangenisa ngaphakathi then sizoneza amathikithi abo. I want us already excited because already they can see usibakuphi. So can't wait to see. I hate that I mean I'm gonna get it so for no reason. Hello, Anjani. So we're going to our first ride, Anaconda, and I don't think Basab, Bonk. I don't think Basab.
Caleb.
You'll be fine, relax, you are young.
Come and take a picture.
Yes, up.
My body day.
Yes, up. Yes, up.
Ngangazela.
Something yes, up. Come yes, up. kumele ubhekele ngekhona ama-security. This was lovely. Ayiphindwe nje. Wow. Siluqeda ukhomba la kafela khona. Waphela umoya. Cheers. Cheers. Number 3. Cheers. E-vlog. Tanini, hi vlog. Hi vlog. Mama, your boy is a winner. Mang figure kaya nginigi hake have no 2015. I woke up but took a shower. Alphumela ngasingatripanga. Le mali ngena singayibizanga. Udali simlanda ngomshini. How was it? Hi. Sandra, how was it? Right?
Are you correct?
And are you correct? It's how Sarah. This time it was too hard. But you too much.
Utufuna kujikanela ngathi mina ngiyasabawela awubhecelezi sunflower umuze ngazi ukujika nawe utufuna kujikanela ngathi mina ngiyasabawela awubhecelezi sunflower umuze ngazi ukujika nawe ngathi mina kuwe uphenduke ngikukikochi Funu babazala my koti Unganungai bambi foni Noma senga pendu utoti nyempela Teru sondele malafu zongfebela nyakela Baby you're so irresistible Angazi ukukeka Manje sengiyabona yomahani juu Everything's open Even though sengibonile ukuthi I'm just hoping now we'll fully let
It's a wrap.
Mina enjoy Storm Chaser.
Golden loop. He enjoy even tonton angikhumbule guys ukuthi lithi bilibani kodwa she around us so simile. Bye.
Hi. Storm Chaser was my favorite. Bye.
Hi. Anaconda and Golden Loop. If right there, Adrian, hi.
Anna.
Hi. Josie. Escape. Antile, ususenze kangaka? Hi my shamies. Hi Ninjani. I'm just here to end my vlog. My vlog was very short, guys, because I feel like I could just say to you, live in the moment where I could vlog, yabo. But I was ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi finally ngenzile lento engifuna ukuyenza. And the girls were so happy. No Andile, no Thando, now were so happy. I'm enjoying it kakhulu. And I'm not sure if ngitshelile ukuthi why bese Gold Reef City. Last year bengimele sibe ne year end whatever party, but we didn't do anything. So bengibakweleta something. Ngabona ukuthi yozigibelane na this year awuthi ngenze nje se Gold Reef City because sonke behlezi funa Gold Reef City ndawonye but bengakazi kuze kwenzeke. Then sahamba ke ngathi no sisibe surprise sahamba bebengena clue yazi but say mase sesofika babona ukuthi ja siyala yabo. Yeah, so ngemsebenzini manje basikhathi social 8. I have a client at 9. Yeah, let's go. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and yeah, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for some other vlog and like. Bye.